We trust ourselves. We have dreams that push us towards the edge. We chase our dreams until we get there. Working day and night to accomplish a goal as a content creator makes me proud about what I do. Looking for opportunities, see if I can find the right place and the right time. This is my story.
Hi there, today is January 20th, 2021 and I am here on my way to find the edge. It's a bit challenging, but I will find my way. I'm sorry, it's a bit dark here. There's not much light right now, so I'm signing off for now.
Every decision we make is scripted. There's a connection for everything. We have a choice to make it, which I believe is simple. But the question is, would you take it or not?
Destination reached. Activating flight path.
Our eyes are closed when we start this loop on repeat. Hear my chest, how it beats when you put your hands on me. Time goes fast, but yet so slow. I leave all thoughts, yeah, I let them go. 'Cause I'm here with you, and all I need is you. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost. It's so easy to be.
Every single shot that you have seen in this video has been written down frame by frame. I hope you all enjoy this. And this is the edge.